Hi guys, if you are new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you and welcome back. Today I will share with you my Kung Pao chicken recipe. For my Kung Pao chicken recipe, you will need 2 pounds of chicken breast cut into small pieces. You will need 4 green onions cut into about 1/2-inch pieces, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of a hot chili paste, some dried chilies, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of a white cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1/2 cup of cashews, and for the sauce you will need 1/2 cup of chicken broth, 1/4 cup of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, 1/2 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of a dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar. To start our recipe, we are going to put our 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and the 2 tablespoons of the white cooking wine in with our chicken, and we're going to mix that up. Now that we have that mixed well, we are going to add our 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. You want to make sure that this is mixed well and you can no longer see any white of the cornstarch. Now that this is mixed well, we will set it aside. Now we are going to mix our sauce. We're going to add our soy sauce, our chicken broth, our dark soy sauce, and our cornstarch, our sesame oil and balsamic vinegar, our white vinegar, our red wine vinegar, and our brown sugar. And we are going to mix this well with a whisk. Now that we have our sauce made, we're going to set it aside. Now we are going to turn our eye onto medium heat, and we are going to add some oil to our wok, and we're going to let that come up to temperature. Now that my oil is hot, I am going to add my chicken into my wok. I'm going to mix it around so most of the chicken can touch the wok so it can get done faster. Since our chicken is cut so small, it will not take long to brown this chicken. Now that my chicken has been cooking for about 5 minutes and it is nice and golden brown, I'm going to make a well in the middle of my wok, and I'm going to add my ginger and my garlic, and I'm going to saute this for about 30 seconds. Now that my ginger and garlic has been sauteing for about 30 seconds, I'm going to add my hot chili paste into my wok. And I'm going to stir to get that distributed throughout the chicken. Now that our chili paste is mixed thoroughly with the chicken, I am going to take my cashews and put in the wok, and I'm going to mix that well. Now that our cashews are mixed well in with the chicken, I'm going to add my dried chilies. Just going to give them a little mix. Now that my chilies are mixed in with the chicken, I am going to add all of my green onions. And I'm going to give that a stir. Now that our green onions are mixed well, I'm going to now add my sauce into my wok. And I'm going to mix this until my sauce thickens, which will not take long because we have cornstarch in it. Now that our sauce has thickened, it is time to plate. I've paired my Kung Pao chicken with some fried pot stickers and some basmati rice. If you like Kung Pao chicken and you love easy and fast meals, you should give this recipe a try because it is easy and delicious. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment down below what you want to see me cook next, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.